Hello everyone! Welcome back to CSULB's Office of Sustainability's YouTube channel. I know we all love giving gifts to our friends, whether it's the holidays or their birthday. I'm going to show you how to propagate plants for a free and sustainable gift. First, you're going to need something to put the plant in. I already have a bunch of leftover pots from previous plants, and I get the soil from the garden supply store. This pot is nice because it has a little container inside to make sure that the water is properly draining. You can get as creative as you want. Old jars and broken teacups make great pots. Tritiscantia is a really easy plant to propagate. It's also a gorgeous plant. Just look at those purple leaves. All you have to do is pinch off the end of the plant, take off those bottom leaves, and stick it in the soil. Believe it or not, this will start growing roots and a whole new plant will grow from this. Succulents are widely known for being easy to propagate. Once you learn this trick, you'll never have to buy another succulent in your life. Just pinch off a piece of it and stick it in the soil. You can decorate it and make it as fancy as you want. Don't be discouraged if your plant doesn't survive the first time you propagate it. Succulents will most likely survive though. They are the most sturdy plant I know. Pelia is a beautiful and interesting plant. It grows little babies like crazy. See the little plants growing inside my pot? I just take a spoon and scoop out those little baby plants. And then I just transfer it to the pot. Make sure that it stands up straight. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you use these tricks to make your friends a good and sustainable gift.